Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to make a video more of a POV style of just how it is driving in the winter when the weather is really cold outside, like minus 17 degrees Celsius right now, and where there's a bunch of snow everywhere. So luckily the streets were cleared recently, so there isn't any snow on the actual streets, which is good for the Dodge Challenger since can't really get any traction in here. Alright, so I know that here that's not the spot to start speeding, because last time I drove here there was actually a cop just on top of that hill. So I've seen a bunch of comments of people asking me to do more of a POV style, just driving the car. So I just wanted to do that today and try it out. So the first thing I have to do is obviously put it in sports mode. I don't know if you guys can hear it and if the camera picks it up, but there's a bunch of salt on the street and just bounces off the car, and it doesn't sound good. A bit of traction there. Yeah, the conditions right now are not the best, but that's basically how it always is during the winter here. It's a good thing that the streets get cleared pretty fast, but yeah, a bunch of salt, and usually they're still wet, so sometimes there's just like black ice everywhere. Crack open the windows a little bit, maybe hear it better. Lost the back end a little bit. That's with the traction on too, so yeah, that's something to get used to if you drive this car during the winter. Sun setting. Yeah, as you can see, the camera gets really dirty. Can't see anything from it. So if I turn traction off and I just spinning in butter. But it's also way more fun driving like that. Going sideways. I'll turn traction back on just in case. Oh my god, the salt. So obviously it's harder to enjoy the car during the winter, but it's still a fun ride. Oh, I think we definitely maybe rubbed on there. So just driving around, I realize more and more that I need my exhaust. Like, I feel like the car is not even loud, and I don't know if it's coming through properly with the GoPro, but doesn't really sound like much, even with the mid muffler delete. Like, I feel like right now you hear more the sound of the wind or the sound of the tires rolling on the road more than the sound of the actual exhaust or the sound of the engine in the car. Like, going almost 90 kilometers per hour right now, if I just floor it, I'd lose traction. One of the downside of Dodge Challengers in general is just getting that traction, and there's not a lot of things you can do to help. Like, I got some pretty good winter tires, and I even put 200 pounds of salt bags in the trunk, and it still struggles to get traction even at some higher speeds like that. And it starts to get dangerous if you're going 90 kilometers per hour and you lose traction like that. Let's try to do a little pull here. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but that pop from second to third gear or from first to second gear is just something that sounds so good, even without a full exhaust system. One thing I don't like when the car's not on sports mode is that it goes into that 4-cylinder mode with the cylinder deactivation, and the car just sounds weird. Like it sounds like it's forcing too much sometimes, and I don't really like that. And if I would just put it in like manual mode, which automatically puts it back in the 8-cylinder mode, that sound goes away. So yeah, that's just a little video POV that I wanted to do, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like down below and leave a comment also if you want to see some more of them, or if you don't want to see any more of them, just let me know. Also, if you want to keep up with all the content that I post, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and you can also follow my Instagram page, BlueBeastRT, where I post some pictures of my car and I post up updates whenever I do something new to my car. So thanks everyone for watching, and have a good one.